Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Well, you're sitting there on my ass! You're sitting there on my ass, dude!
You're flying!
I'm flying! You're sitting there on my ass! I have a car in front of me! If I was flying, I'd rear end his ass!
You're doing 50!
I'm doing 50! I was doing 4D! 4D! 40! Beat the shit out of me! Beat the shit out of me! All I wanted was you to not be on my ass. That's all I asked for. And you got your panties in a twist. Dude. Dude.
Who are you yelling at, boy?
Dude.
Dude,
Don't you. Dude. Telling you. Come on. You're the one threatening me.
Out of my...
Did you just f***ing hit me? Are you f***ing kidding me?
What you... What you... Flying! 40! I'm doing 40. I have a dash cam on my car. I'm doing 40. I'll bring it to any situation. I'm doing 40.
Alright. Dude.
What happened?
Right.
So I am... Whoa! Oh my god! Liz? Yeah,
No,
we're
okay.
fine.
We're fine.
What's up, dude? Yeah, come on. Hey, what's up, dude?
What's up, boss?
You got a problem?
Issue?
You got a problem?
Got an issue?
I don't know. Do you have a problem?
You're one following me, brother.
You're the one over here cutting me off, brake checking me. I got you on camera, buddy.
I don't care. You're following me.
It's
right
okay.
now.
I got your
This is
tags.
harassment at
I
this
no,
point,
I got
right?
your
You got
tags.
me on camera?
Yep, I got your
me on
tags.
camera, and you're following me, right?
It's okay. You're
Harassing me,
gonna
correct?
receive a ticket later.
Go ahead.
All right. Have a great day. Oh, bro, what the? You shitting me? What the? Oh, that guy, he went in through my lane. They wave. Huh? He waved. I didn't wave.
Her language. That's a joke.
It's the tragedy.
It is.
She spent 30 years as the only person speaking English. It's such a long time. Yeah. She obviously he knew other very.
Yeah. She...
Forever! I'm being burned onto a CD for eternity being a douchebag!
What are you doing, idiot?
When my body returns to the loam and the cities are...
What are you doing?
alien civilization, I am a douchebag!
Idiot! A real piece of shit.
Uvalde Police Force. The director of the Texas Department of Public Safety testified that the Uvalde police response to the school shooting last month was an abject failure. Abject failure? Wow, that seems pretty harsh. What happened? Well, footage showed that officers entered the school three.
Oh my god. That way. Idiots of New Jersey. Jesus Christ.
Are you looking at me? What the hell is this doing?
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.